Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn shapes and patterns together, step by step. Shapes and patterns are everywhere. We'll describe flat and solid shapes and learn to continue patterns. Flat, two-dimensional shapes include the triangle with 3 sides, the square and rectangle with 4, and the circle as single round curve. Solid, three-dimensional shapes, cubes, cuboids, spheres, and cones, take up space and have faces, edges, and corners. Look at the pattern 2, 4, 6, 8. Each number is 2 more, so the next is 8 plus 2, 10. To recap, flat shapes have sides and corners, solids have faces and edges, and to continue a pattern, find its rule. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.